Good morning, student. Today we discuss general rule of succession in the case of Hindu males. Section 8 of Hindu Succession Act provide the general rules of succession in the case of males. The property of male Hindu dying intestate shall devolve according to the provision of this chapter. A. Firstly, upon the heirs being the relative specified in class 1 of the schedule. Secondly, if there is no higher of class 1, then upon the heirs being the relatives specified in class 2 of the schedule. Thirdly, if there is no higher of any of two classes, then upon the agnate of the deceased. And lastly, if there is no agnate, then upon the coagnate of the deceased. Section 9. Order of succession among higher in schedules. Among the higher specified in the schedule, those in class 1 shall take simultaneously and to the exclusion of all other hires. Those in first entry in class 2 shall be preferred to those in second entry. Those in second entry shall be preferred to those in third entry, and so on in the succession. Section 10. Distribution of property among hires in class 1 of the schedule. The property of an intestate shall be divided among the hires in class 1 of the schedule in accordance with the following rules. Rule 1. The intestate widow, or if there are more widows than one, all the widows together shall take one share. For example, in case widow 1, widow 2 and widow 3 and mother, they are the heirs of the P. But when the property is divided, then mother will take half share and the wives collectively take half share, and later on they divided among them. Such type of situation can't occur in present scenario because nowadays Hindu laws prohibited second or third marriage during the lifetime of first wife. Rule 2. The surviving son and daughter and the mother of the intestate shall each take one share. Rule 3. The heirs in the branch of each predeceased son or predeceased daughter of the intestate shall take between them one share. For example, in this case, S, D, they are son and daughter of P. The son take half share and daughter take half share. Later on, the son of S and daughter of S, they divided equally and get 1/4 share each. And whereas S, daughter of D, son of D, is alone son, he will get half share complete. Rule 4. The distribution of the share referred to in Rule 3 among the heirs in the branch of predeceased son shall be so made that his widow or widow together and the surviving son and daughter get equal portion, and the branch of his predeceased son get the same portion. Secondly, among the heirs in the branch of predeceased daughter shall be so made that the surviving son and daughter get equal portion. Section 11. Distribution of property among heirs in class 2 of the schedule. The property of intestate shall be divided between the heirs specified in any one entry in class 2 of the schedule, so they take share equally. Section 13. Computation of degrees. For the purpose of determining the order of succession among agnates or coagnates, relationship shall be reckoned from the intestate to the heir in term of degree of ascent or degree of descent, or both as the case may be. Second, degree of ascent and degree of descent shall be computed inclusive of the intestate. Number 3, every generation constitutes a degree, either ascending or descending. Section 18. Full blood preferred to half blood. Heirs related to an intestate by full blood shall be preferred to heirs related by half blood if the nature of the relationship is the same in every other respect.